Today I'm here with Jeff Harris, who is the parts manager here at Exmark. And we've heard this so many times, Jeff, but engine maintenance so important for a long, healthy life of your equipment, right?
Absolutely. So regular engine oil changes and following your maintenance schedules on your machines definitely improves the overall performance, longevity, and also the overall health of the components of the machine, not only just the engine.
Okay, and so thinking about mowing, tough environments, air-cooled engines, what sort of challenges do we have in those situations?
So in many cases, lawn mowers are used in tougher environments where the temperature is going to be very high, could be very heavy cutting conditions to add stress to your machine.
Okay, and so we've got a couple different options when it comes to maintenance. You can go to a dealer, have that maintenance done, or you can do the maintenance yourself. Tell me a little bit about the Exmark Servicing Dealer Network and the benefits they provide.
Yeah, absolutely. So with Exmark, we have 1,500 servicing dealers. Okay. By taking your unit to the dealer, you're ensuring that you're going to get that expert care on your machine, Exmark genuine parts, and also protecting the warranty on your machine.
Okay, so if you want to do it yourself, which is something I love doing, what are my options for doing it myself?
So what we have here today, and we'll go through it in a minute, is an Exmark maintenance kit.
Okay.
So this one specific would be for your Exmark engine.
Okay.
We also offer it on for the Laser and Kawasaki models as well.
Okay, so I can get this kit for whatever engine I have, you have an option for it?
Yes, sir. Yep.
Okay. All right, let's talk through what's in the engine maintenance kit.
Sure. So in this kit here, we're going to have your 10W30 engine oil.
Okay, come on.
2 quarts in a pint.
All right, for a little top off.
And then Exmark OEM filter, engine oil filter.
Excellent. Got everything to do my oil maintenance there.
Air filter, air cleaner.
Yep, these get really dusty and dirty, and you can blow it out with the air compressor so many times before you need to replace it, so a good time to replace it.
Fuel filter is also included.
Okay, fuel filter.
The fuel treatment.
Okay, and I've got enough fuel treatment to do some treatment here and as I go throughout the season?
Absolutely.
Great.
And then lastly, a couple spark plugs for the engine.
Okay. All right, great. So this is everything I need to be able to do this maintenance myself. How can I get one of these maintenance kits?
These maintenance kits can be obtained by your local Exmark dealer and also exmark.com if you're that shopper that likes to shop from home.
Okay, and if I go to exmark.com, it's shipped straight to my door, right?
Absolutely.
Okay, so you've got the options to do the engine maintenance on your mower, whether you want to do it yourself or have an Exmark dealer do it for you.